Welcome back, everyone. It's the first week in March 2023, and this is your Milton real estate market update. The question on your mind is probably, what is the spring market looking like in Milton this year? It's an important question, especially because the second half of 2022 was a really weird real estate market. We had interest rates increasing in the fall, and a lot of buyers moved to the sidelines. We had properties in the second half of 2022 staying on the market longer than we were used to. And the dynamics shifted a little bit in the sense that it became not a full buyer's market, but definitely a more balanced market. Now that we're a few weeks into 2023, we have a much better sense of how the market is looking this year. As compared to the previous 3 months, the median sale price has stayed level, down just 2% to $864,000. We have more listings on the market in our town's higher price points, so the median list price is standing quite a bit higher at $1.3 million. The average sales price to list price ratio has also stayed level, with listings selling for an average of 99.3% of their list price. Right now, there are 24 properties for sale on the market, and we currently have 4 months of inventory. Are interest rates impacting the market? Well, sure. There are always going to be some buyers who see rising interest rates and decide to hold off, stay on the sidelines, and wait for them to come down. That being said, coming out of 2022, and as we've been talking to buyers in 2023 and seeing, the market as a whole, it really does feel like buyers have gone through what some people have described as the stages of grief accompanied with higher interest rates. They understand that they're not going to be as low as they were for the last few years, and they've come to terms with the idea that they may have to go in with a higher rate and refinance down the road. What is buyer activity looking like in the market? Today is Sunday, March 5th, and I hit 5 open houses in Milton today. A couple of them I was checking out for clients, and a few of them I just wanted to see for myself. 3 of those properties were in their first week on the market, and all of those open houses were really pretty packed. We're talking multiple parties in the property at one time, full sign-in sheets, and just a general buzz of excitement around them. A couple of those properties had been on the market for a little longer, and those open houses were actually pretty active too. There are a lot of properties that had been on for a little while, kind of stretching back to the slower parts of late last year, early this year, and we're seeing that inventory begin to be absorbed. There's definitely the possibility of things changing as we get into the year, but I would say that the spring market in Milton is feeling like it's shaping up to be a really strong one. Maybe not quite as strong as the last couple of years in terms of buyer demand, but not too far off either. Of course, I'll be back next month with another real estate market update, and if I can help with anything in the meantime, just reach out.